When planning a bathroom remodel, understanding the potential costs is crucial, especially for homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo. One of the most significant expenses you might encounter is the shower installation Kitchener-Waterloo residents often prioritize. This aspect of a bathroom renovation is not only about aesthetics but also functionality and long-term durability. Given the local climate, which can be damp and chilly, having a well-designed shower is essential for comfort and efficiency. In this article, we'll explore why shower installation tends to be the most expensive part of a bathroom remodel. We'll delve into the factors that contribute to these costs, such as materials, labor, and design preferences. Additionally, we'll touch on how local trends and preferences can influence your choices and potentially elevate expenses. Whether you're considering a luxurious spa-like shower or a more practical, family-friendly design, knowing where your money goes can help you make informed decisions. Stay with us as we guide you through the intricacies of bathroom renovations in the Kitchener-Waterloo area, ensuring your project is both budget-friendly and satisfying. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of what to expect and how to plan for your dream bathroom remodel. Understanding shower installation costs in Kitchener-Waterloo. When planning a bathroom remodel, homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo often find that shower installation can be one of the most expensive components. A variety of factors influence the final cost, including the choice of materials, the complexity of the design, and labor expenses. In a region such as Kitchener-Waterloo, where the demand for skilled tradespeople is high, labor costs can significantly impact your budget. It's important to balance your aesthetic desires with practical considerations to manage expenses effectively. The choice between a prefabricated shower unit and a custom-built shower is a major factor affecting costs. Prefabricated units, which are generally less expensive, offer a quicker installation process and are available in a variety of styles and sizes. However, for a more customized look that fits unique spaces, a custom-built shower may be preferable, albeit at a higher price. Custom showers allow for personalized features, such as built-in benches, multiple shower heads, or intricate tile work, which can enhance the functionality and appearance of your bathroom, but also raise the cost. Beyond the basic installation, additional factors can affect the cost of a shower installation in Kitchener-Waterloo. Upgrades such as high-end fixtures, premium tiles, or advanced water systems add to the expense but can also increase the overall value of your home. It's crucial to work with a reputable contractor who understands the local market and can provide detailed estimates and options tailored to your budget and vision. Consider prefabricated units for a cost-effective and quick installation. Invest in quality fixtures that offer longevity and reduce maintenance costs. Work with local contractors who have experience in the Kitchener-Waterloo area to ensure accurate quotes and efficient work. Plan for a contingency budget to cover unexpected expenses during the installation process. Prioritize essential features and consider phasing in luxury upgrades over time to manage costs. Factors influencing the price of shower installations locally. When considering a bathroom remodel in the Kitchener-Waterloo area, one of the most significant expenses homeowners face is the shower installation. Various factors influence the cost of this essential component, making it crucial to understand what you're paying for and how to make the best choices for your budget and style. From materials to labor, each element plays a critical role in the overall expense. The choice of materials is a primary factor affecting the cost of shower installations. High-end materials like marble or custom tile work can significantly increase expenses compared to more economical options such as fiberglass or acrylic. Additionally, the size and complexity of the shower design, such as the inclusion of multiple shower heads or custom glass enclosures, can lead to higher costs. Another crucial consideration is the current plumbing setup. If significant plumbing modifications are needed to accommodate a new shower design, expect the costs to rise due to the complexity of the installation process. Labor costs in Kitchener-Waterloo can also vary depending on the contractor's expertise and the project's demands. Hiring professionals like Kitchen-and-Bath-Reno-Guys, who are experienced in local building codes and regulations, can ensure a smoother process and help avoid costly mistakes. Moreover, the timing of the renovation can impact costs. For instance, scheduling work during off-peak seasons might offer some savings. Here are a few practical tips for managing shower installation costs. Choose durable yet affordable materials like acrylic or ceramic tiles to balance cost and longevity. Consider prefabricated shower units to save on custom design and labor costs. Schedule your renovation during the off-season to potentially take advantage of lower labor rates. Work with local contractors who have a strong reputation and experience with Kitchener-Waterloo building requirements. Plan the layout to minimize plumbing changes, reducing both labor and material costs. Comparing shower types, which is most cost-effective for Kitchener homes. When planning a bathroom remodel in Kitchener-Waterloo, one of the major decisions homeowners face is choosing the right type of shower. This decision not only impacts your budget, but also the overall functionality and style of your bathroom. From prefabricated shower kits to luxurious custom designs, the cost can vary significantly. Prefabricated shower kits are usually the most economical option, offering a straightforward installation process that can save both time and labor costs. These units are ideal for homeowners in Kitchener looking for a quick upgrade without breaking the bank. On the other hand, custom shower installations offer a more tailored experience. While these can be more expensive, often involving higher material and labor costs, they provide a unique opportunity to design a space that perfectly fits your lifestyle and aesthetic preferences. Custom showers can include high-end features like rainfall shower heads, steam options, or intricate tiling that add both luxury and value to your home. For those in Waterloo or Cambridge who are considering a long-term investment in their property, the enhanced functionality and appeal of a custom shower can be well worth the initial outlay. Consider your long-term needs. If you plan to stay in your home for many years, investing in a custom shower might be worthwhile. Evaluate your budget. Prefabricated showers are cost-effective and can be installed quickly, making them a great choice for budget-conscious homeowners. Think about space. Custom showers can be designed to fit any space, making them ideal for non-standard bathroom layouts in older Kitchener homes. Check local trends. Visit local showrooms in Kitchener-Waterloo to see the latest styles and materials popular in the area. Consult with professionals. Engage with a local renovation expert to get a detailed cost estimate and design advice tailored to your specific bathroom space. Finding reliable contractors for shower installations in Kitchener-Waterloo. When embarking on a bathroom remodel, particularly focusing on shower installation in Kitchener-Waterloo, finding a reliable contractor can significantly impact the success and cost-effectiveness of your project. The right contractor not only ensures quality workmanship, but also helps you navigate the complexities of local building codes and regulations. With numerous options available, selecting the right professional requires careful consideration of several factors that ensure your investment is well protected and your vision is realized. One of the first steps in selecting a reliable contractor is to seek out recommendations from friends, family, or neighbors who have recently completed similar projects. Personal referrals often provide invaluable insights into a contractor's reliability, professionalism, and quality of work. Additionally, local online forums and review sites can offer further information, but it's crucial to verify these reviews through multiple sources when possible. Once you have a list of potential contractors, check their credentials, including licensing and insurance, to ensure they meet the necessary legal requirements to operate in Ontario. Another essential factor is to evaluate the contractor's experience with shower installations specifically. A contractor with a robust portfolio of completed shower projects in Kitchener-Waterloo is more likely to understand the unique challenges and requirements of local homes. Moreover, discussing your project in detail during initial consultations can provide a sense of the contractor's communication style and willingness to accommodate your specific needs and preferences. Be sure to request detailed quotes from multiple contractors to compare pricing structures and included services. Request recommendations and verify reviews through multiple sources to ensure authenticity. Check for proper licensing and insurance to protect yourself from potential liabilities. Evaluate the contractor's experience with shower installations to ensure expertise in this area. Discuss your project in detail during initial consultations to gauge communication and flexibility. Obtain detailed quotes from several contractors to compare costs and services comprehensively. Maximizing value. Tips for affordable shower upgrades in the region. When it comes to bathroom remodels in Kitchener-Waterloo, the shower installation often emerges as one of the most expensive components. This is not only due to the materials and fixtures involved, but also the plumbing and labor costs associated with the upgrade. However, with strategic planning and informed decisions, homeowners can maximize their investment while keeping costs under control. Understanding the local market and the options available can make a significant difference in achieving a balance between quality and affordability. The first step in maximizing value is to assess your current shower setup and determine what changes are necessary. For instance, a complete overhaul might not be required if the existing plumbing is in good condition. Opting for a shower makeover that focuses on updating fixtures or installing a new shower head can refresh the space without substantial expense. In Kitchener-Waterloo, where labor can be a significant portion of the budget, minimizing structural changes reduces both time and cost while still enhancing the bathroom's appeal. Moreover, selecting materials wisely is crucial. While upscale materials like natural stone or custom glass might be tempting, they often come with high price tags. Instead, consider high-quality acrylic or prefabricated units that offer durability and aesthetic appeal at a fraction of the cost. Additionally, keep an eye out for local sales and promotions at supply stores in Kitchener-Waterloo, which can offer substantial savings on tiles, fixtures, and other essentials. Reuse existing layout. Preserve the current plumbing layout to avoid costly rerouting and extensive labor. Shop local. Visit Kitchener-Waterloo showrooms and suppliers for deals on materials and fixtures. Mix and match. Combine high-end fixtures with budget-friendly materials to create a luxurious look without the price tag. DIY where possible. Undertake simple tasks like painting or fixture replacement to reduce labor costs. Consider acrylic panels. These are cost-effective alternatives to tiles and are easy to clean and maintain. Frequently asked questions. What is typically the most expensive part of a bathroom remodel in Kitchener-Waterloo? A. The most expensive part of a bathroom remodel in Kitchener-Waterloo is usually the cost of labor and professional services. This includes hiring skilled tradespeople like plumbers, electricians, and tile installers. The complexity of the job, the quality of materials chosen, and the size of the bathroom can all influence labor costs. It's important to plan and budget accordingly to ensure a successful renovation. Q. How can I save money on my bathroom remodel without compromising quality? A. To save money on your bathroom remodel, consider focusing on cosmetic changes rather than major structural alterations. Retaining the existing layout can reduce plumbing and electrical costs. Opt for cost-effective materials that still offer durability and aesthetic appeal. Additionally, consider doing some of the work yourself if you have the skills, or shop around for competitive quotes from local contractors in Kitchener-Waterloo. Q. Are there any hidden costs I should be aware of during a bathroom renovation? A. Yes. Hidden costs can arise during a bathroom renovation. These may include unforeseen plumbing or electrical issues, water damage repair, or structural problems that are discovered once work begins. It's advisable to set aside a contingency budget, around 10 to 15% of your total renovation budget, to cover these unexpected expenses. Consulting with experienced contractors in Kitchener-Waterloo can help anticipate and mitigate potential surprises. Ready to transform your bathroom into a luxurious oasis without breaking the bank? Discover how the experts at Kitchen&Bath-Reno-Guys Kitchener-Waterloo can help you manage costs effectively. Visit our Bathroom Renovations Kitchener-Waterloo page to explore our services or check out our reviews on Google. Call us today at 226-894-0234 or book a free estimate online at kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca. Let's make your dream bathroom a reality.